Number 8. Crab. Limb regeneration. Crabs may look simple, but they hide an incredible survival superpower. Regeneration. When a crab loses a leg or claw during a fight or predator attack, it doesn't bleed out or panic. Instead, it activates a natural escape system called autotomy, deliberately dropping the damaged limb to survive. The real magic happens later. During the crab's next molting cycle, a tiny replacement limb begins to grow at the injury site. With each molt, this new leg becomes larger and stronger. After a few molts, the regenerated limb can look almost identical to the original. This ability is crucial because crabs rely on their claws for defense, feeding, and dominance. Regeneration allows them to return to full strength instead of becoming easy prey. In the wild, losing a limb isn't the end. For crabs, it's just a temporary setback. Number 7. Lobster. Claw and limb regeneration. Lobsters are living proof that losing a body part doesn't have to be permanent. When a lobster loses a claw, leg, or antenna during a fight or escape, it can regrow the missing limb over time. Just like crabs, lobsters use a process tied to molting. Each time they shed their hard shell, regeneration takes a step forward. At first, the new limb appears small and weak, almost like a miniature version. But with every molt, it grows larger and stronger. After several molts, the regenerated claw can become nearly as powerful as the original. In some rare cases, lobsters even grow extra or mismatched claws, showing how flexible their regeneration system is. This ability is vital in the ocean, where survival often depends on strength and defense. For lobsters, regeneration means a second chance at dominance. Number 6. Green anole lizard tail regeneration. The green anole lizard has a clever survival trick. When threatened by a predator, it can drop its tail on purpose. The detached tail keeps wriggling, distracting the attacker while the lizard escapes. What makes this truly incredible is what happens next. The tail grows back. Over the following weeks, the anole regenerates a new tail made of cartilage instead of bone. While the regrown tail isn't an exact copy of the original, it restores balance, movement, and climbing ability. Specialized cells rush to the injury site and rapidly rebuild muscle, skin, and nerves. This ability comes with a cost. Regeneration requires huge amounts of energy, slowing growth and reproduction. Still, for the green anole, sacrificing a tail is far better than losing its life. Proof that regeneration is one of nature's smartest escape plans. Number 5. Zebrafish. Organ regeneration. The zebrafish may look small and harmless, but it possesses one of the most powerful regeneration abilities in the animal kingdom. Unlike humans, zebrafish can regrow damaged organs, including the heart, spinal cord, fins, and even parts of the brain. When its heart is injured, the zebrafish doesn't form permanent scar tissue. Instead, existing heart cells revert to a flexible state, multiply, and rebuild the damaged area until the heart functions like new. This process happens with incredible precision, restoring full strength and rhythm. Scientists study zebrafish extensively because their regeneration secrets could one day help human medicine, especially in treating heart attacks and nerve injury. In nature, this ability allows zebrafish to survive wounds that would be fatal to most animals. Small in size but massive in biological power, the zebrafish proves regeneration isn't about strength, it's about smart design. Number 4. Axolotl. Full limb and organ regeneration. The axolotl is often called the king of regeneration, and for good reason. This unusual salamander can regrow entire limbs, including bones, muscles, nerves, and blood vessels, all perfectly restored. Even more shockingly, it can regenerate parts of its heart, spinal cord, and brain. When an axolotl loses a limb, special cells form a structure called a blastema, which acts like a biological blueprint. From there, the limb rebuilds itself exactly as it was, with no scars. Unlike humans, Axolotls never lose this ability as they age. Because of this, scientists around the world study axolotls to unlock the secrets of tissue regeneration and healing. In the wild, this power allows axolotls to survive brutal injuries. The axolotl isn't just surviving, it's rewriting the rules of biology. Number 3. Octopus. Arm regeneration and intelligence. The octopus is not only one of the smartest animals in the ocean, but also a master of regeneration. When an octopus loses an arm to a predator, it can regrow the entire limb, complete with muscles, suckers, nerves, and even partial memory functions. Each arm contains thousands of neurons, meaning regeneration isn't just physical, it's neurological. The new arm gradually relearns complex movements, allowing the octopus to hunt, grip, and explore as effectively as before. Regrowth can take weeks to months, depending on the species and environment. During this time, the octopus continues to survive, using its remaining arms and incredible problem-solving skills. For an animal that relies on flexibility and precision, regeneration is essential. The octopus proves that losing a limb doesn't mean losing control. It means adapting and coming back stronger. Number 2. Deer. Antler regeneration. Deer are among the few mammals capable of true regeneration, and they do it in a spectacular way by regrowing their antlers every year. After the mating season, male deer shed their antlers, leaving them bare. Then, almost magically, a new set begins to grow from pedicle tissue on their skulls. The process is incredibly fast. Antlers can grow up to 2 centimeters per day, one of the fastest examples of bone growth in the animal kingdom. They are initially covered in vascularized skin called velvet, which supplies nutrients and oxygen to the growing bone. Once fully grown, the velvet dries and is shed, leaving the hard, mineralized antlers ready for combat and display. This yearly cycle demonstrates that even in mammals, regeneration is possible, combining speed, precision, and complexity in ways that inspire scientists worldwide. Number 1. Hydra. Immortal regeneration. The hydra is a tiny freshwater creature with an almost magical ability. It can regenerate its entire body from even small fragments. Cut a hydra into pieces, and each piece can grow into a fully functional organism. Some scientists even describe it as biologically immortal because under the right conditions, it doesn't show signs of aging. This incredible power comes from stem cell-like cells that constantly divide and replace old or damaged tissue. Unlike complex animals, hydras don't form scars. Every part is rebuilt perfectly, including tentacles, digestive structures, and the nerve net. For researchers, the hydra is a window into the ultimate regeneration blueprint. In the wild, this ability allows the hydra to survive predation and harsh conditions. The hydra proves that in nature, life can truly start over again and again, endlessly.